I look weird because I'm like, ugh, and then my arms are like, ugh. This looks horrible. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Guess what we're doing today? We are, my dog's ripping up a receipt. I found these Keto Birchbender's pancake mix at Walmart. A lot of people have been searching for this and cannot find it. I found it, and it is 5 net carbs per serving, which is 2 pancakes, 9 grams of protein, 160 calories, 11 grams of fat. It's made with almond flour, eggs, tiger nut flour. What the fuck? What is tiger nut flour? Organic coconut flour, cassava starch, buttermilk, and sodium, salt, spice, egg, milk, tree nuts. This is 10 ounces. So it says it makes 16 medium pancakes, and it says all you need is water. So if you want to make the entire bag, then you mix 1 3/4 to 2 cups of water. If I only make, and that's for like 4-inch pancakes. So I'm gonna make pancakes for everybody. So I'm going to, the entire 8, so this makes 16. So I guess I'll just make the whole thing. All right. I don't exactly remember the exact price of this. I do want to say that it was like around $5, and I'm pretty sure it was on sale. A lot of people are saying that it was like $7. I did not pay $7 for this. I want to say it was like $4.99 or something. It was the only one on the shelf. Now I see these all the time and they say paleo, and there's another one, but this one is keto. This one is more low carb than the others. So let's get this started. We need a pan. And my son already used my favorite pan. Can't even see me anymore. I disappeared. My son used my favorite pan this morning to make eggs. Okay. So first things first, pan. Got myself a pan. I'll move you guys so you can actually see what I'm doing. Turn some lights on. Bear with me. I'm trying new little camera hiding techniques so you can watch. You can see that. Okay, cool. Work. Okay. So we need a bowl to mix this in. Myself a bowl. Crack this bad boy open. Get my handy dandy measuring cup. And since I'm gonna make the entire bag, I'm just gonna pour the entire bag into this. And then I'll just set that here for now. And then we'll do 2 cups. 2 cups of water. Drinking my coffee. Okay. Now it says batter will be thin at first. Let it sit for a few minutes to thicken. Cook over medium heat on a lightly greased skillet. Flip once and serve when golden brown. All right. Get my whisk out. My baby whisk. I guess I could start heating the skillet, but I want you guys to be able to see the mix going on. You know what I want? One of those things that you can pour your pancake mix in and shake it up. so much easier. I want to get all the clumps out. I think I'm gonna add like a little bit of cinnamon into get all the clumps out. I do have a hand mixer, but I don't feel like digging for. Plus, this is okay. Okay. And like I said, I wanted to add just a little. Might as well just put the rest of this is empty now. What?
Hershey's cocoa.
Hershey's cocoa. Well, I don't want to change the flavoring too much of it because I'm trying to give like a review about it. Maybe in the future we'll add chocolate to it. Alright, now we gotta get, can you get my Kerrygold butter out please? Give me that Kerrygold, that Kerrygold, that Kerrygold. Where's my big spatula? No, that's, I can't believe it's not butter. Thank you. This is probably too much butter. Why did I put this much butter? I just need a lightly.
I can't believe it's too much butter.
And I have all this butter. I guess I can save it. There we go. We'll put it in the. And I do have. Where did I put it? Some sugar-free Great Value syrup for two. For two.
Ooh, powder.
Maybe we should just make like a bunch of. No.
It's powder.
A bunch of little ones.
Yeah. What if you put all that in once? You make big butter.
So we'll just do like one at a time here. And we did let the batter sit while we let this heat up, so. I absolutely love making pancakes in a buttered pan because it makes the pancakes taste so good. Can you get like a big plate so we can stack all the pancakes on it? Now I wonder, like with regular pancakes, once it starts like bubbling is when you flip it. So this says, it just says flip once, but it doesn't. So I don't know if this is gonna do like that. I guess we'll see. I'm liking the idea of making a bunch of little ones though, like little pancake bites, but then that would be too hard to like kind of figure out the carbs for that. I don't think it's ready to flip yet. I might turn this up some. I could have waited a little bit longer, but I went ahead and flipped it. Some butter up in that little piece right there. This is, it looks pretty fluffy. Yes.
I call that pancake.
Okay, this will be Reese's pancake. Can I have a bite of it to try though?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like perfect. Get yourself a little plate if you're gonna eat this, because I'm gonna use that big plate for the rest of them. Taking a little bite of it. Oh wow. So let's go.
It tastes like eggs.
They do fall apart very easily. A normal pancake, I just normally wouldn't, I don't know, this is so hard to explain. Because it's not crumbly.
But it's breaking.
It does break apart very easily. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, this piece isn't like just falling off of my fork. If I'm comparing this to a regular pancake, I'm just trying to explain it to you. I think it's good. If you're wanting pancakes and you don't want to make your own mix, when I first started YouTube, I made protein powder pancakes. You see this piece right here? See how? Okay, so not all of it. Maybe I didn't cook that piece long enough, but it kind of like crumbled off of my fork. That's how some of it is. So, but look at, they're good.
Tastes like eggs.
Should taste like eggs. It doesn't taste like eggs to me.
I taste eggs.
To me, it tastes like pancakes.
Not to me. But then they're not so keto.
See? So Tiffany says it tastes like eggs. And she's not keto. So 2 of those is 5 net carbs. And plus serving size for the sugar-free syrup is 2 tablespoons. I probably only used 1. And it's made with sucralose, so those are sugar alcohols in the carb count, so it's 0 net carbs if you can take sucralose and it doesn't kick you. Alright guys, that's my review on the Birchbender's keto pancakes. It's good. It's kind of pricey. You can always make your own pancakes still. But if you're one who's not into cooking and you like the convenience factor, I would buy them again. If I didn't want to make my own pancakes, I definitely would. I'm not a big pancake eater. I don't eat pancakes like every weekend or anything like that, but it's nice to have if you do love pancakes. Alright guys, it is Saturday and I am going to be washing my dog, and then we'll probably go to the park later and stuff. So have a good weekend. Bye guys.